What's up, YouTube? Roger Rachet coming at you again. Today I figured I'd bring you an announcement of a new project vehicle I just acquired. Yeah, this one is going to be a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee limited edition trim. So let's take a look here, shall we? And there she is. She's not a bad looking rig. She's got a nice body on her. I mean, she's got some little spots on her, but not bad. That right there will be a video putting an antenna on it. Yeah, she's probably going to eventually need some tires. But yeah, even from the back, she's not a bad looking rig. So yeah, we're going to be doing some videos on this. We got several things we need to do to it. There she is. There's one of our spots there. As you can see, somebody's put some expanding foam in there, probably an air draft on the inside from it. And let's take a peek on the inside here. Yeah, we got power locks, power windows, most of which doesn't work at this time, but yeah, we'll cover that in some future videos. Here's the interior dash. We got seats here. Yeah, for an 04, she's in actually some pretty good shape. Physically. Mechanically, maybe not so much. But, yeah. We're gonna work on all that. So, if you want to follow on this new project, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell icon and tap all so you don't miss any videos. And since you're there, you must like my content, so you might as well hit the like button too. Yeah, little thumbs up icon. Yeah. Yeah, upcoming videos on the 04 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So, I'm Roger Rachet, and thank you for watching.